Oh dear, what's wrong with that picture? That don't look good, does it? Best we sort this little job out. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. So, man cave got in the car this morning and noticed, oh dear, what's gone on here? Our mirror has come off. Huh, right, okay, that's just held on with the wires. Right, I think our glass isn't damaged. Looks perfectly good. Hello, folks. So what we're going to do is, yeah, it looks like it's just stuck on there and clipped. I thought maybe that was clipped. That isn't, it's just, there's like a sticky back on there. Yeah, that's sticky there, and the mirror is sticky, so that just sticks on that base. Right, I think we can silicone that back on. Let me go in the house and see if we've got some silicone, and hopefully that'll just stick back. Of course, this is a dead flat plastic surface, and your mirror's obviously dead flat, no clips on there at all, so it must just sit on there, pressure fit. Let's get some silicone and we'll see how we get on. Right, we have some Evo Stick multi-purpose silicone, highly waterproof, contains fungicides, lasts up to 25 years. Well, let's see if that mirror is, let's see if that mirror glass is still held on there when this car is tax exempt. I very much doubt it. Right, I'm just going to clean this up and then we can get stuck on. Oops, I think I might need to adjust that because that's facing right in. Let me just get in the car and see if I can adjust that out so that's flat. I'll give her a clean up, so let's see if we can get some silicone on here. Why didn't I bring my silicone gun out? Because I think we can manage without. There we go. So let's give that a little rub around, all around this surface. Yeah, without getting it all in the guts where it moves. I don't think I need too big a bead of silicone around there. It's very loose, that's very flimsy at that end. Yeah, them ends are actually quite bendy. So we've got some silicone around there now. There we go. I don't want it squidging out the edge of the glass, so we'll just put a bit like that. There we go. And I think a little bit more in the middle and on the edge just to hold, a little bit more there. There we go. So I think if we get our mirror glass now and wipe our finger on the mirror glass, get all that old silicone off, put our wires on. That goes this way, doesn't it? Yep. So let's get our wires on here if we can. Come on. That's one on. Yep, one wire on. That's two wires on. Now I think we've got to sort of put this in somehow and twist. Alright, let me get this camera out so you can see what we've got to do. We've got to get them wires. At the minute, they won't go through that gap. So do they like squeeze in, or do they somehow go like that? I can't do this two-handed, one-handed. I need two hands. There we go. Let's see if we can get him on. I think we have to like poke that in. Ah, there you go. Right. Now I think we've got to push our mirror glass too. Yeah, that's gone in. Look at that. There we go. Give it a little circular motion just to make sure we're in there centered. There. Is that centered? That don't look far out. That don't look far out at all. There. There we go. That is absolutely marvellous. Let me just clean that mirror up. Alright, we've got a bit of kitchen roll just to get that silicone off the bottom there. Because we don't want that silicone on there where I slide it all around the plastic. There we go, and get that bit off the front. Because we've got a little bit of silicone on the front. Saying that will come off when that's dry. That'll be the best time to get that off. There we go, and we can get some force on that now. Yeah. Well, she's on. We have our mirror back on. And yep, that is all centralised, which is good. And I have a sneaky feeling once I get some glass cleaner on that tomorrow, all that'll just come off. Marvellous. There we go. And guys, tomorrow you will have a Reliant Robin video to look forward to, I promise you. Of course, yeah, I've got some bits which I'm picking up tomorrow, which will get us on stead to try and start that Reliant. But this is just a little filler video I didn't intend doing because I didn't know I had this problem. But there you go. That's how we sort our mirror glass out. Da da da. There we go. Alright, we're all sorted. That's it. I'm going to call this a day. You've seen the video done. And there we go. It looks like we're all back to how we should be. Right, I'm off. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye for now.